Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So far we've done our LangChain series. If you haven't watched that, I'll put a playlist link down below and then you can check it out. And in that LangChain series, we've learned how to build LLM powered applications step by step. We have explored chains, agents, retrievers, and even tool execution. We saw how LangChain helps us connect large language models with external data sources, APIs, and other tools. But as we started building more complex systems, you might have noticed something missing. LangChain is actually great for creating individual component, but when you try to build multi-step workflows or systems where an LLM needs to make choices dynamically, things start getting a bit messy. You have to manage the control flow manually, handle intermediate steps, and sometimes even patch the logic together with if else conditions. It works, but it's not scalable and it's definitely not elegant. So that's exactly where LangGraph comes in. LangGraph takes everything we've learned from LangChain and gives it a structure. It lets us represent our LLM workflows as a graph with nodes for actions and edges for choices paths. In simple terms, it's like giving our agent a map to follow so it knows what to do, when to do it, and how to handle intermediate results. With LangGraph, we can build stateful, reliable, and controllable AI systems where every step is transparent and the workflow is easy to debug, modify, or extend. So, if LangChain was all about learning the tools, LangGraph is about learning how to orchestrate them intelligently. And that's exactly what we're going to do next. We're starting a brand new series on LangGraph, where we'll go from the basics all the way up to building advanced multi-step agentic workflows. So get ready, because if you loved what LangChain could do, LangGraph is going to take things to a whole new level. So let's get started.